Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. Barely anything left, but my cup looks super crummy, so let's get that out of the way before you can look into it. Stop trying to look into my coffee cup. Quick tip today. Just another little brief one for you, another thought I had. Sometimes I just have to pop on here and tell you something or save up a couple and share them with you in between making my regular videos. And that's what's up today. And it doesn't even really require a whole intro. I'm just going to go right into it. I wanted to share with you that sometimes being a matchmaker and a dating coach and constantly going through welcome meetings, an hour to two, getting to know a client and then talking to all these people trying to find one great match, and then date coaching other clients who are new to dating or having a recurring pattern or challenge that they want to overcome in their dating life, and all the efforts and then the videos I make for you, that sometimes I hear about somebody who met someone through friends or out and about and they're dating that person, and it blows my mind to think that people could literally just see someone, start talking, and be dating without all the stuff that we go through here. So today I just wanted to make a quick tip. First of all, to remind you to be out in the world and alert and able to talk to people and make connections with people in the real world. You have nothing to lose. Somebody could look at you and go, did that person just talk to me, try making conversation? Yeah, I did. Big whoop-de-doo. So don't be afraid to be a little bold. What are they, love favors the bold, the brave. So be brave, talk to people, catch the eye of a handsome stranger or a beautiful woman that looks interesting to you. Say something nice, give a compliment. People do still meet in person sometimes. Also, put yourself out there in real life, IRL, in real life situations of things that interest you, where there will be other people. You may just end up being surprised that there's somebody that you connect with over that interest. It's weird that you could just be in the world and meet somebody all willy-nilly and not have to go through all the rigmarole, but it does still happen. You just have to have the right attitude, the right positive outlook, and be aware. Don't have your nose buried in your phone at all times so that you can notice that stranger smiling at you or trying to catch your eye to say something to you. It could happen to you. Gotta be alert. I hope that that happens to you, and I hope that this reminder works for you to put yourself out there and be more bold to meet people in real life. Thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate that. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and then the ring bell. Then you're notified every time I upload a new episode. Look forward to seeing you back again soon, and until next time, have a good one.